The Stonehill Inn is a special place for special people. Nestled away on a secluded hilltop in Vermont's most historic village of Stowe, it is the perfect destination for couples seeking the ultimate luxurious, romantic inn experience.
We have 9 guest rooms here at the inn, and we think that's a great size. Each room has the same amenities. They each have a king bed, the same layout, the sitting area, but they're all individually decorated.
The rooms have flat-screen TVs, DVD players, and plug-ins for iPod and MP3 players. The inn is also equipped with Wi-Fi throughout. We designed each bathroom with a 2-person jacuzzi tub with a fireplace directly across from it. Double sink vanities and a separate shower complete our attention to detail. In addition, we offer luxury touches such as high-count thread sheets, Egyptian cotton towels, and bath sheets, wonderful amenities that make a visit to Stonehill special.
We offer in-house massage treatments. They are available year-round in the room, or in the summer months we have a unique feature. It's our outdoor garden massage pavilion. We offer tandem massage side-by-side for couples with 2 therapists at a time, and we also have a signature Stonehill Inn hot stone treatment.
A full breakfast is served each morning at tables set for 2 with candlelight and classical music in our window-walled breakfast room. In addition to a homemade baked good and fresh fruit, we always have a savory choice, an egg-based dish. We also have a sweeter choice, such as pancakes, waffles, or French toast. Or we can prepare eggs any style for those who are looking for that. Each evening, an hors d'oeuvre is set out in the guest pantry. We're not trying to spoil your dinner. It's meant to be a nice pre-dinner treat for those who wish to indulge.
We are well known for our food. The Boston Globe said the food here at Stonehill Inn was the best they'd had at an inn, and we've had lots of guests request that we publish our recipes as a keepsake, so we did just that. We published a cookbook with over 120 of our most requested recipes. It's called the Signature Recipe Collection.
The Stonehill Inn's common areas have been just as thoughtfully executed. There are fireplaces to cozy up by with a book or the newspaper. There's a game room with a billiards table and board games. There's also an extensive video library for guests who wish to take movies back to their room to enjoy. Only steps away are the Stonehill Inn's award-winning perennial gardens and waterfall, surrounded by wooded walking trails scented with the aroma of pine and spruce.
The attention to detail is just in everything in this place, and Amy and Hap do it without being obtrusive.
There are many things we can do to help you plan your getaway and make it extra special. We can have chocolate-dipped strawberries waiting in the room for you upon arrival, or we can scatter the bed with silk rose petals at our evening turn-down service. We will work with you to make your visit a very special one. Stowe is a 4-season destination. Of course, we're known for winter skiing with Stowe Mountain Resort just 4 miles up the road. But we also have a lot of non-skiing guests who come here to enjoy the falling snow and a classic New England village. One of our most popular winter activities is a romantic horse-drawn sleigh ride. In the fall, guests enjoy Vermont's spectacular fall foliage, varieties of maples contrasted against the evergreen trees. In the summer, Stowe has a calendar that's just packed with events, outdoor festivals, and concerts. It's wonderful for hiking and canoeing and kayaking. Year-round, there's just so much to do, making the Stonehill Inn the perfect destination for that perfect romantic getaway. For more information on this select registry property, you can contact Amy or Hap at 802-253-6282 or visit them online at www.stonehillinn.com.